What's up, everyone? I'm joined by Liv, also known as Not Liv. My name is Arcade Games, and yeah, we're playing Party Animals. This is my first video, and yeah, let's go.
And I am joined by Arcade Games.
Yep.
And this isn't my first video. You guys have seen my videos before, so yeah.
All right.
Also, go subscribe to Arcade Games. I'll put his name in the link in the description. I don't know about the link, but I'll do it.
Because she knows that I'm gonna beat her.
Look
what I got. Oh,
look
you got
at my
Dun
character.
Dun? Wait,
Yeah.
are you Dun Dun?
Yeah.
I got the dragon.
Oh yeah.
I
And
just got
if you didn't know,
dropkicked.
we are playing. If you didn't know, we're playing Party Animals.
I just said that.
Pretty obvious. Oh, you did?
Yes.
Hey, listen. Square up.
I am the master of the arts of a baseball bat. Yeah.
Yeah. I just died.
Really?
I just died, bro. Yeah. Banana! Oh, I missed it.
Take it. Take it. Take this.
He just slipped on a banana.
Good. No!
I'm working on an edit actually right now. So yeah, if it is, didn't know that. No, like as you play, we play. Like when I die.
Why? What?
No, not like right now. Like
Bomb. Watch this. I call upon Dragon Fury. I missed. Like, plunger. Oh, you're about to get shoved up. Why do I got it? I'm standing on it. What? Ow.
bomb.
What? Bomb. I'm ready. Here comes the Dragon Fury. Yeah. Easy.
So yeah.
Did you just see that? He's dead. I think I killed him. Am I loud on your side, Liv? Am I loud on you?
Yeah.
Get over here, Dun Dun. Ow. The gator really wants me now. Gator's mad. Hey. Look what I got. Yeah. Yeah. Now you're next, Dun Dun.
Get the thing.
Easy. Easy. Another win
I
in
went
the
out
book.
of the map.
Ah!
I went out of the map.
That's what I did to the other guy. To the gator.
Delay.
Did you just go invisible?
Yeah.
Ow! Oh, the last thing I saw was a racket.
Myron kid.
Nuh-uh, mine.
What
Mine.
animal am I? Am I a raccoon?
I don't know what you are.
I'm like a.
You look like a cheetah. You have paws.
I look like a. Yeah. I look like a, what are those things that start with an M? They have like. Oh my god, what are they called? Chenny. Oh really? You wanna play that?
Yeah, I do.
Um.
Now I'm gonna make you an Oompa Loompa.
You can't do that. You have Oompa Loompa skin. You can't be talking.
What'd you say? I'm a dragon.
Yeah, I know, but you have Oompa Loompa skin.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do. Nor, please. Clear. Oh my god, no.
Never say that ever again.
Nor, clear.
Liv, stop! Please. Did you just hit someone with a fish? Wait, are you dead?
Yeah. I don't know how I died, but I died.
Hands up, cowboy.
No, you're overpowered with that, bro.
He deflected it! What? He just threw it.
Banana. Banana. I just made him slip on a banana.
Wait, what? What?
What just happened?
I died somehow. I had a heart attack.
But that's confused me so much. I thought my game was glitching.
Oh. Look at me! Destroyed. What's up?
Ow.
Nuh-uh, that's my gun. Get over here, dun-dun. Why are you swimming? Oh, look, his hat.
Bro, please.
Oh, backflip. What? And I ask, how?
That was me.
What? You just sent me flying. That really hurt my butt. Hey. Take that. I win! Woohoo! Look at this slow-mo frying pan. Woo! No! My
I've done the
stand!
best.
Dragon! What? Dun dun dead. Dun dun dead.
Dun dun.
Dun 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 dead. Bro, dun dun is done dead.
Yeah.
That sucks. Oh, yeah,
You're
ready
hurting.
for this?
You're hurting my brain.
Typhoon. What?
You said dun dun has done bed. You're hurting my brain.
Guys, make sure to like and
Oh,
subscribe
plunger.
if you want to see more party animals.
Yeah. What he said.
Dun dun!
Owie.
Wow.
What? Dun does not know how to swim.
Dun dun, no! Grab my hand, dun dun!
No.
Dun dun! Top 5 saddest deaths. Bro, it's like lagging. It's like in and out. It was like, no.
Dun dun dead.
No! No, no, no! Grab on, dragon.
You have to climb, bro.
I know, I just gotta take care of this.
I believe in you, Big Joe. I believe in you. No!
Man, I'm dead.
They have done finish.
Fish. Let's go!
Shoot, no, wait.
Dun dun, I didn't mean it. I'm sorry, Dun Dun. Get back here! Ah!
Wheel. Push up.
Why is there a ghost, a shovel wielding ghost?
You dead?
No. Maybe. I don't know. I guess you'll have to find out. Ah!
You're not dead. What? Oh my god. My nose
I'm
is
not
itchy.
dead. Not yet. Yeah, I heard the wham. I heard you wipe it.
Trying to blow. No, I didn't wipe it. That was me trying to blow on it because I'm holding on and I can't let go.
Kick him!
What are you doing?
Kick him! Ow. He fell. Operation successful. Live! How could you?
Things something. Oh my god. Die. I dead.
No! I'm dead too. I'm dead.
The fact that the AIs are winning right now is kind of sad.
Really? For real?
Think you can miss it? I have a sword. I have a band hammer.
Oh my god, I'm lighting Bo up. How did Bo get to me?
Shovel stuck in my back.
What the heck? Ah! Liv, I was caught by the gods. No, he's dead. Where's the other guy?
It's so weird when I kill him.
Oh. The otter's still alive.
allowed to be up here, sir.
Can I be up here?
Ow.
No! Ah! Move! You deserve that for all the times you made me fall. No! Stay off! Ow. Save me!
No!
Get off! Get off! Stop swimming! Start swimming! Dun dun! Dun dun, more like dum dum! No! No! Curse you! Curse you! You small little green demon! No!
Puncher.
Bye. Ah! This is for
Now we get to talk about it.
This is for 99. No! This is for 99. Did I kill you?
Die.
No? I'm still alive.
You didn't see me?
No, I didn't get burned. Did you? Did I burn you?
Yes.
Yes! Yes, it was successful. I thought I was gonna die, but
How'd you not die?
cause I hit the wing of the submarine and caught on. I got pushed. Did you just try throwing a fish at me?
No.
So I caught the wing because it pushed me away. So I held you under the fire and it pushed me away, and then I got saved.
You're joking me.
Nope, no jokes here. Easy dub! I wanna swing on the chandelier. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Look at this. Look at my hips move.
Your hips do be moving. That your hips be rolling. They hatin', patrolling, they try to catch me right.
Now we all have one win.
Yeah.
Alright, hands up.
And we all have one baseball bat.
I don't think that's how it works. Spinach! Spinach! Ah! Oh my god, I set him flying. Shut up.
No.
Spinach! Are you dead?
Yes, I'm dead.
I just sent a guy through a jet. Oh, you too, huh? Did you throw a fish at me?
No.
I heard it though.
No. I would never.
Yes, you would. Don't go in the jet! Don't go in the jet, Liv! I got you, Liv! Grab my hand! Where are you going?
I want to be the greatest of them all. I went in the jet.
I told you not to go in the jet.
I fell into the jet.
I'm a winner. I'm so good. Frying pan? Yes, sir. Easy dub. That's what I call a dub. Oh yeah. Picture room. Picture room. Yay! Woohoo! Broken arrow. Woohoo! All right. This is gonna make. I'm gonna make quick work of this. Dun, no! No! How did she run? Fish. No! I fell! I'm gonna let you win, Liv? Nuh-uh. Woohoo! Oh yeah. Visibility potion? Visibility! Did I just juke him out? See you, Liv. I'm the king! Guys, did you just see that? Don't tell me you didn't just see that. Die. What the hell? What happened to you? I'm sorry, Liv. It has to be done. Dun must die. I'm sorry. No. Goodbye, Dun. Ah! Dun, you must die. Ah!
So what?
You just came?
I just got back. I really just got back.
Bro, you almost won. You had 2 stars somehow.
I had what?
Your AFK plays better than you. You had 2 stars.
What?
Yes.
Oh,
Picture!
that's funny.
Woohoo! Oh my gosh, please stop breathing. Stop breathing.
Okay, you guys.
breathing.
I don't know how long this video has been. How long has the video been?
This is gonna be the last one, actually.
Yeah, I was gonna say. This should be the last one.
Alright.
Heather.
It's raining bombs from out of the sky. Bombs. No need to ask why. Just open your
I'm gonna
mouth
get coffee.
and close your bombs. It's raining bomb, 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 bomb. That hurt.
Also, guys,
Haha, I'm better.
I did a video of us, me, and I don't know what to call you still. We haven't decided, but yeah, of us playing here. I hope that that's good. You should check it out, and it's on my channel. And once again, my channel is. I mean, if you're watching this on my channel, if you're subscribed, and yeah, I'm actually getting this guy. You're gonna get a following, bro. Okay? You understand me? Ow! Oh, ow!
Shut up. That's why that's why I was hired for the Olympics. Yeah.
Yeah. The Olympics.
Oh yeah, I'm winning. Did you just plunge through that man's mouth? What did that man ever do to you?
Now you're coming with me. Now he's coming with me.
What did that man's mouth ever do to you? I'm the king of the world! Woohoo!
I got his yacht now. Look.
What?
Look.
Oh, you do?
I got the diet.
Diet. I'm just watching. I'm observing. Uh-oh. Observation! Observation! Uh-oh. No! No! Don't take me! Why? Why plunger me? Those fishes, man.
Because you said you were observing, so.
And then the second I come down, I get dragged down by a plunger and a dun-dun. Freaking dun-dun.
Dun dun the best.
No, dun-dun the worst. How are the AI winning? Excuse me? Dun-dun. Dun-dun! I'm gonna kill dun-dun. Nunchucks. Cool.
Why?
Oh.
Why did you say
I'm a nunchuck observer dragon. Wait. Nunchucks are my family, because I am the dragon. Come on,
What does a dragon have to do with
family.
it?
No! No! I slipped on a banana.
It was
peel.
tripping.
Mario screwed me. Mario ruined my life. Yeah. Spinach! Stop being so rude! Ah! Easy. Easy. Woohoo! Cowabunga! Oh, see that?
Sometimes you sound so far away because it's like no, like when you were said cowabunga, it went like cowabunga, like an echo.
Yeah,
It was funny.
well, yeah, because I fell.
Yeah, no.
Stop rolling! Dun dun. I'm a ninja.
I'm a ninja too.
Nuh-uh, I'm the better ninja. Get over here. Bye. Oh, Liv, you doomed us. Liv. 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 Tell my family I love them.
No. No.
Hi. The echo. I slipped on a banana.
Oh yes.
That otter's dead.
Now you die. Now you die.
Now you die.
Oh shoot.
The otter almost lived.
Yeah, I know. I saw that.
Alright guys, that's gonna end it for my video. Make sure to check
Same.
me out. It's my first
Same.
video. I'll be posting more, and yeah. See you guys in the next one.
In the next one. Bye.